Thank you for joining us today to learn more about the Presence toolbar. You can learn about other aspects of your website in additional videos on Resource Central. Here you see a typical Presence website. It's important to note that you may not see this toolbar until you maneuver to a page that you have creation rights on. You may see things on My Toolbar today that you will not see on your own due to the various permission levels given by your website administrators. The four dots in the upper corner may say no shortcuts available, or they may have links to the back-end settings. This area is for administrators of the Presence website to manage user access and group lists. The What's New star can show you all of the aspects of the program that have been added with the latest release. Design mode is used to give you access to the various portlets or building blocks of the site, and it can be used to access and edit parts of the page you're sitting on. With design mode on, you can see all the different portlets available to give your pages different functionalities. Now I'll turn off design mode and we'll move on to the rest of the toolbar. The plus page menu is how you're going to add pages to your site. There are several things to keep in mind here. The first is that the menu will create a subpage or child of the page that you're sitting on at the time. So if you wish to add a page to a different area of the site, you must first navigate to that area before using the drop-down menu. Another thing to remember is that the majority of your site is made up of content-based pages. You can always add functionality to your page by turning on design mode and dragging in another portlet type. The Page Options drop-down menu allows you to check out and edit the page, gives you access to the page properties and page administration, and can allow you to give people viewing and or creation rights on the page you're sitting on, as well as change the page layout options. The links below the line allow you to modify attributes of the subpages of the page you're sitting on. You may manipulate the release dates and expiry dates, the page order, or use the page status to hide a page from the menus and search engine, or just hide it from the menus. If there are pages that have been archived, you can access them here. You can edit external link pages from this menu, and you can navigate to pages that are not yet on the menu by using the View Subpages link. The Advanced Options dropdown will be limited based on your specific permission levels. Only administrators will be able to move page, or copy page, or save as page type. If you build a page with different portlets on it, for example, a department landing page, and you wish to reuse that page multiple times, you can save it as a page type and it will show up in the drop-down plus page menu. Only administrators will be able to manage the approval process, which involves placing rules on a page to monitor changes before they go live. The Tools drop-down will allow you to check the links of the page you're sitting on and allows you to run reports on the subpages. The Checked Out Page report will tell you all of the pages that are either currently being worked on or have been checked out and exited without hitting the Save, Draft, Publish, or Cancel button. Exiting a page while in editing mode without hitting one of these three buttons will place a lock on the page to remind others that there may be someone currently working on this page. The Expiring Content report will tell you which pages will expire in a set amount of time. This is important because expired pages can still be accessed with the direct link. In order to prevent access to a page, you must archive that page either automatically or with a follow-up task, or manually using the page status. The Outstanding Approval report will tell you of those pages that have approval rules set, which are currently waiting to be approved or rejected. The Stale Content report allows administrators to track which pages have been set with a review date which have not been followed up with, or pages that have expired and are currently hidden but still accessible with a direct link. The Site Administration dropdown is only available to website administrators. Please see additional documentation and resources for a full review of this part of the toolbar. Most administrators will use the site permissions to delegate permissions across the entire site and may use the file administration to access our 4 file managers: the Image Manager, Document Manager, Flash Manager, and Media Manager. The question mark reveals our interactive help section where you can gain access to all of our product documentation. Use the interactive table of contents on the left to access general documentation, or the search bar in the upper right-hand corner to search for key terms that pique your interest. Don't forget about the 1-800 number for 24-hour support and the live online chat feature for help during office hours. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, 7 to 8 Central, 6 to 7 Mountain, and 5 to 6 Pacific. I hope you've gained a little more insight regarding our toolbar today. Thank you for listening and have a great day.